Still broke, despite working hard? Stop blaming luck. There's a 5-step formula that changes everything. Watch till the end and I'll show you the single mindset flip that rewires your money life. Hey, if money stress keeps you up at night and you want practical steps that actually change your life, hit subscribe now. On this channel, we turn confusing finance into bite-sized moves you can use this week to protect your family, grow your income, and finally feel in control. This video will give you a clear 5-step path out of the middle-class trap. No jargon, no fluff, but if you skip the middle steps, you'll miss the twist that makes it work. Stay with me. You're doing the right things: steady job, bills paid, maybe a small savings account. Yet every year it feels the same, one emergency away from panic. That feeling is the middle-class trap. It's not a failure. It's not fate. It's a design. Today, I'll show you 5 steps that, when used together, break that design. And one of these steps is the opposite of what most people preach. It has the twist that flips everything. If you're ready to trade anxiety for control, keep watching. Now, here is the twist up front so you can't unhear it. Escaping the middle-class trap is not about earning twice the money. It's about structuring your life so your current income works differently. That requires a mindset and a set of actions that seem small but compound like wildfire. Step 3 is the counterintuitive one. Don't skip it. Let's start. Step 1. Own your hours, not just your paycheck. Most people trade every hour for their hourly wage and call it security. The first step is reclaiming your hours. This isn't about quitting your job. It's about designing how you spend that time. Track 1 week of your time. Where is it leaking? Convert just 2 to 5 hours a week into income design time, learning one skill, building a small side project, or automating a task. Start a tiny experiment, like a freelance gig or a weekend digital product. Your time, when converted to leverage, is what multiplies your income without needing a miracle raise. Step 2. Defensive money. Build a real buffer that buys time. Most emergency funds are theoretical. Step 2 is building a buffer that buys time, not just covers bills. Create a 3 to 6 month time buffer. Calculate how many months of essential expenses you need to cover to make a job change without panic. Automate a small transfer each payday into a separate, untouchable account labeled Time Fund. Reduce one recurring cost today and redirect it there. A buffer gives you options. An option is the currency of freedom. Step 3. The counterintuitive growth move. Use your salary to build income streams. This is the twist I promised. Rather than hoarding your salary or spending it on status, use a portion strategically to seed new income streams. Allocate a small, fixed percentage of your income to experiments. Advertising a side product, hiring a freelancer, or buying a course. Treat each experiment like a mini business with a 3-month test. Measure results, then double down on winners and cut losers fast. This is the step that separates those stuck forever from those who escape, because it forces you to think like an owner, not just a worker. Step 4. Make money work like a team, not a single player. Imagine your money as a small team with assigned roles. You have defense for safety, growth for your future, liquidity for opportunities, and lifestyle for present joy. Split your incoming cash into labeled buckets, give them a job. Use automated rules so the moment your pay hits, it splits automatically. Review monthly. Which teammate is working, which needs help? This prevents a single emergency from collapsing everything. Teams win where solo players fail. And finally, step 5, the identity shift. From I'm a saver to I'm a builder. The final step is the mindset that sustains everything. Saving alone just keeps you middle class. Building pushes you forward. Reframe your language. Say, I build income, not I save. Create habits like 15 minutes of daily learning and a weekly money review. Habits that stick are tied to your self-image. When you see yourself as a builder, your choices will follow. So let's put it all together. Reclaim your time. Build a time fund that buys months, not just days. Use a small part of your salary to test income streams. Split your money into role-based buckets. And become a builder. The power is in how these steps reinforce one another. The time fund allows you to test step 3 without panic. The team buckets protect your gains. The identity keeps you consistent. If this feels overwhelming, pick one micro action. Reclaim 2 hours this week and spend them on a specific experiment. That's all. Start there. If you found this useful, please do 3 things right now. Like the video, it helps this message reach someone who needs it. Subscribe and ring the bell. Every week we drop practical finance moves that change lives. And share this with one person who's doing everything right but still feels stuck. That share could be the moment they finally break free. Your life won't transform from one video alone, but these 5 steps are the map. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.